Are you in business or plano mo pumasok sa pagdinegosyo? Alam mo ba that there's a study in Bloomberg in the US that says that 8 of 10 entrepreneurs will fail in the first 18 months of their operations. Ang lungkot, no? Ibig sabihin, 8 sa 10 susubok mawawalan ng pera. Now, I do not know if there is a study made in the Philippines, pero naniniwala ako that this study and its result is valid also in our country and other parts of the world. Ang hope ko is sana makatulong ako ma-reverse yung trend na yan. Kung meron mang mafe-fail, sana 2 lang, 8 ang kikita. And this is one of the things that I will discuss during the Kape Tayo session I will do in Bacolod on September 25. Sana kung taga Bacolod ka, nagnenegosyo ka, if you're struggling, baka makatulong ako sa iyo. So I hope you will join me doon sa Kape Tayo. The link to the event will be on the comment below and I hope you will register. Ako naniniwala the reason why many people fail in business kasi maraming maling turo. Like for example, they will say, kung may pera ka, madaling gumawa ng pera. Hindi totoo yun. Kung hindi ka marunong gumawa ng pera, maski anong laki ng pera mo, hindi siya dadami. Then some people will say, bilisan mo, sayang panahon. So binilisan. Nag-succeed, hindi. Kasi habang nagmamadali, lalong mas maraming maling nagagawa. May nagsasabi rin, entrepreneurship is freedom. Freedom to do what you want, when you want to, and how you want to. Well, I believe entrepreneurship will eventually give you the freedom you want, but this will come in the proper season. There are certain things you need to do in the different stages of the life of a business in order to get that freedom. Pero sa simula, especially sa simula, you must be willing to be a slave to your business in order to give it a good foundation. The reason I do Kape Tayo when I go to different cities in the country is I am hoping na sana makaambag man lang ako sa success ng mga nagnenegosyo. Alam mo, the principles that I will share are not only applicable to startup, but they're also applicable to businesses that are already established. So kung mas gusto mo maintindihan kung paano mag-manage ng isang negosyo or paano siya alagaan, join me sa September 25 sa Bacolod, sa Kinyusburi Restaurant. The registration is cheap. It's 1,350. Sabihin mo, hindi cheap yun ha. Pero that 1,350 includes copies of my 2 new books on entrepreneurship and also merienda doon sa restaurant. So I hope to see you then. Sana we will have a fruitful evening together. See you.